we have the Glock 45 MOS version, and I changed the slide release, or mag release, let's say slide release, the mag release to the right side because I'm a lefty and I shoot with my left hand. This is my first time shooting it, and I got it like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and this is my first time shooting it, so let's see how it goes. My bad. Okay, so I love the recoil. It feels perfect. Can you back it up a little bit? So I'm glad that everything is still. I'm glad my grouping is somewhat together, but I just need to figure out how can I aim more accurately? Because everybody says it's about the breathing and trigger squeeze, or breathing and the trigger squeeze. So this is my first time shooting it, so let's see how the second time goes. Mag number 2. Shoot, I love the gun. I just gotta go to range more often. Everything is where it needs to be, but can't wait till I figure out how to make the grouping smaller. So I'm gonna stop this video, but I'm impressed with this gun. It's beautiful. Can't wait to spend more time with it.
There's a seat right here.
Mag release on the right side, and it has the large dovetail as well. Large dovetail, and that is the MOS version. So I would love to eventually get a red dot. I don't want to get a red dot, but it's an MOS version, so I got to see what would it be like shooting with a red dot. And I would love to get a ported slide as well, and maybe a compensator as well, if I can shoot better, or when I shoot better, see if I notice the difference. What's going on, everybody? So we're back at the range. This is day 2, and this time I'm gonna shoot my Glock 45 MOS again, but my friend is gonna shoot the Hellcat Pro as well, because she's trying to figure out what type of handgun suits her the best. Are you ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna aim for the red X in the middle. So I was aiming for the red piece in the middle. Look how bad I do this. This is outrageous. I don't know what to do.
At least the grouping is like the grouping.
It's bad. So it's weird because so last time we did it at 5. It was better. The grouping was better last time, but this time we're doing it at 7. I said, y'all, it's feeder.
I'm not sure.
Yes, so I'm gonna try. I'm going super slow, so it's not making any sense to me. I'm gonna try to breathe better and calm down, though. I don't know what am I doing. I'm gonna try to make sure the side picture is better too, and make sure my finger placement is better as well. This is outrageous, bro. But this time, I used my side picture aimed slightly above the red X, and as you can see, I got more in this circle this time. There was 2 outliers this time, or 3, but I noticed as soon as I changed my side picture and aimed above the red X, that helped me get way closer to the target. So I'm gonna be switching over to my cameraman and camerawoman, and we're gonna shoot. And then we might get some more ammo, and I might practice on camera, or I might practice off camera. Get better at aiming this target. But at least I know what to do, which is obviously you have to match up the sight from the back to the front, make sure that all 3 are like aligned. And for me, I have to aim above the target, and that was my hand butter. So are you ready? So this Hellcat Pro is not like the Glock, okay? So it might feel different for you, but this slide release is right here, the same thing. So you might like the grippy texture and everything, but all you gotta do is you wanna come on this side real quick. Pull it back. Push up, it's like that, okay? You ready? Here's your man. Alright. You want 7 or 5? 5? Alright, don't put it on 5. Huh?
They put it in now?
Yep. There you go. 1. Slide it forward. No. Yep, there you go. Alright, point. Get your stance right. Grip it tight. Put your left thumb under, there you go. Make sure your right thumb is pointed forward a little bit. And try to scoop this up a little bit as far as you can. There you go. And make sure you grip it tight, okay? Make sure the padding or the middle of your pointer finger is in the middle of the trigger, okay? All right, go ahead. Slow. When you squeeze the trigger, hold it after it shoots, and then let go slowly until you hear that click, okay? What you say? You gonna do 7?
No, do I need to do better?
Are you aiming for the red X as well?
I'm trying.
Alright.
Okay.
Good job. Let's see how you do. So you were like me. What did I do at first? At first you were aiming all 3 right here.
Yeah.
So you have to aim above here, but you're still hitting the body as well. So that's still good, but we're gonna get some more ammo.
Is this mine?
No, that's mine. And then we're gonna get some more ammo and then try to put your sight picture up here, okay? And more of our shots are gonna be in this area.
Okay.
So maybe we might have to aim right here to definitely hit this bad boy in the middle, okay? But good job. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. We're gonna get some more ammo, and we might keep shooting the 9mm, or we might rent out a rifle. So what do you want to do? Oh, hey, don't do that. What the heck?